everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought I could show you my mini makeup collection and how I store my makeup. I thought of doing this once I go back to Bangalore where my entire setup is there, but I figured out I'll be here for some more days, so I thought I might as well shoot a video and show you how I store my makeup. I did a rose gold eye makeup video which will be up on my channel next week, so please stay tuned for it. And after the video I thought I can just arrange all of my makeup and show you how I store it. So without any further delay, let's start. So this is the space where I store my skincare and makeup, and I store actually makeup only the first two drawers of the set of drawers. The last drawer actually has some miscellaneous items that I don't take much often, and I have a huge mirror over here and that's me. Hi. So first let's start with the slab where I have my daily essentials. So starting off with my mini makeup collection, I have the Forest Essentials Rose and Cardamom Body Mist. I have two perfumes from Body Shop. One is a perfume, one is a body mist, the Strawberry Body Mist and the British Rose perfume. And I have the Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Mist, which is my most favorite. I have one in my Bangalore house, one here, and my mother has one, so we just love it. And this is my favorite perfume of all times. This is the Escada Turquoise Summer perfume. This is my signature scent and I absolutely love it. And on this tray I actually have my daily essentials. This has skincare, hair care and all those things. So I have my toners over here. This is the 100% Bulgarian rose water and basil water from Juicy Chemistry. This is a hair mask from Juicy Chemistry. This is my Stop the Spot anti-acne serum from Juicy Chemistry. I have two sheet masks over here. I usually like to keep my sheet mask in the refrigerator, but I just have two here in case I want to use them. And I have my Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask, and I have my Garnier Micellar Water and some mini face wash that I got from Innisfree. And this is the L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence. I didn't use this often, that's why I still have some left. Once I finish this, I'll put up a review about it. As of now, I really like it. And here are some mini sample sizes and travel sizes of Innisfree skincare. I absolutely love the brand. So these are some Innisfree green tea seed serum, some samples. This is another travel size of the green tea seed serum. This is the mini toner. And I have a lip tint over here. This is also a lip tint. This is from Face Shop. I have some Maybelline lip balms over there and one more lip balm from Body Shop. And this is a full size of the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream, which I am yet to open. And I have some essential oils over here. Don't mind my face mask brush, it's dirty. I have two hand creams from the Body Shop. I have a face mist from Plum, and this is a body lotion from the Body Shop. And I also have a body lotion from Bath and Body Works over there. And of course some lip balms that's there. I really like to apply lip balm every single day and every now and then. That's why there's a lot of collection of lip balms. So coming here, I still have some of my skincare over here. Like I have the Innisfree wine peeling jelly softener, my Innisfree toner, like the full size version of that toner, and two face masks from the Body Shop. This is the British Rose mask and that one is the Himalayan charcoal mask, which is almost over. And this is my small or mini hair care section. This is the oil that I'm using currently. This is from VVD, and this is my Livon hair serum. And this bottle actually contains another hair serum that I bought from Thailand. This smells like coconut and it just softens my hair so much. And with that we come to the end of this first slab. Okay, next moving to the top of the set of drawers, I actually have my Laneige lip sleeping mask and the Garnier moisturizer, both of which are actually empty but look cute here. This is my mini foundation brush that I got from Mesmerize Makeup. Looks like my father's shaving brush. Never mind. I've actually used it and it's very soft. So in this container I actually have all of my brushes. I need to clean them. I filmed some videos for YouTube and these need to be washed. So in this container, this is actually a pack beauty blender container, but I have some other beauty blenders that I didn't have any other space to store in. So I have the YBP makeup perfector and the Jeffree Star makeup sponges in here, and I have two of the pack sponges in this pouch. They came in actually this pouch, so it was more convenient to store it. And here I have my mini mirror, my makeup removing balm, and that's my bindi box. So yeah, that's it for the top of the door. And yeah, I have my cotton wipes, or what do you call, face cotton pads that I use to remove the makeup. I bought this from Miniso. You get around 100 pads for rupees 190, which I thought is really cheap, and good quality cotton pads as well. So that is also here. So let's move on to the makeup drawer. So coming to the first drawer, this drawer doesn't actually close properly. So whenever I close and open it, everything actually messes up by itself. So don't mind that, I'm sorry. Here I have my two foundations, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 235, and this is my Milani foundation. I'm in the shade warm beige. And over here I have my Juicy Chemistries moisturizer, which I absolutely like to use it by itself, but I thought it will be easier to mix it with my foundations if I keep it here. And over here I have all of my Giorgio Armani minis that I got from my friend, and here are my concealers. They should actually be here. I told you, right, this drawer is a little difficult to move and everything goes all over the place. So I have my compact powders over here, the Maybelline Fit Me one and the Nykaa compact powder, and also my Maybelline Fit Me loose powders over here. And in the end of the drawer, I actually have all of my setting sprays, the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, my Milani Make It Last, and the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Setting Spray. I have everything from Sugar Cosmetics over here. This is the blush, contour and highlight palette. This is the mini contour, and this one is my mini blush. And these things are actually primer, which is again mixed up. This is my green corrector, which should be with my concealer. I have the Maybelline Baby Skin primer, which is not available in India yet, I'm not sure. This one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance primer, and this is the Honey Dew Me Up primer from NYX, and this is the Inglot gel primer. I also have my Benetint from Benefit Cosmetics. This is a cream blush, and I have my other bronzer over here. Because I have my Sugar Mini bronzer here, I thought I can have it here so that it will be easy for me to take it. I have all my three highlighters over here, the Makeup Revolution highlighter, my Maybelline highlighter, and my ELF highlighter. So that's it for the first drawer. As I said, the drawers don't close properly. If I try to push it completely and close it, while opening it, it's just a mess, and that's why the drawer becomes a mess by itself, and so does the second drawer. So I don't close it completely, I close it only this much. So in my second drawer, I have all of my eye makeup and lipstick products. First thing I have here is the Surgical Spirit. This is the bottle I got when I wanted to fix my highlighter, and this is the diluted version of it. I didn't keep this bottle in my skincare slab because I thought I could get confused, because I've poured the Surgical Spirit thing in my old toner bottle, so I thought it would be safe here. So I have all of my eyeshadow palettes over here. This is the Wet n Wild palette. You've seen me use this a lot, and this is my Tartelette in Bloom palette, and this one is the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. This is my recent addition. So all my three palettes are kept here. Moving on to this box, I have all of my kajals, eyeliner, lipstick and everything here. So let me just quickly run through whatever I have here. This is the K Beauty eyeliner. This is actually a brown eyeliner which I'm actually wearing right now. This is a recent purchase. This is the K Beauty kajal. I have a K Beauty lip liner. My gel eyeliner is here. My eyeshadow base is over here. My green kajal is here. And I have my other kajals over here, like my Maybelline Colossal, my Nykaa I Am Black. So I didn't get a better place to store them, so I thought I can store it all in one box. And here's my mascara and my eyeliner brush, some sharpeners, and I think rest of the things are all lipsticks. Oh no, I have a pigment, eyeshadow pigment over here. Actually, this is the pigment I used for my rose gold eye makeup, which will be up soon. The rest of the things are lipsticks, and I have one more eye product. This is my gel liner revival thing from PAC. I have one more Maybelline eyeliner, my color bar kajal is here. So yeah, the other things are lipsticks, some lip glosses. These two are lip glosses, and the other things are lipstick. Like I have from Maybelline, Nykaa, this is the L'Oreal lipstick, and I have more Nykaa lipsticks over here. This is L'Oreal, some Maybelline Superstay matte ink. This is the Nykaa Ultra Matte in Jane. This is their Nykaa So Creme lipstick, which I'm wearing right now. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie lipstick. Again, this is a Nykaa lipstick. And this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one. And there's again a Lakme lipstick over here. So that's all for this box and this drawer. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's not a big collection. If you had expected a big collection, then it's not. It's a very small storage and small collection I have. This is the brown eyeliner I was talking about when I showed you my eye makeup drawer. So right now I'm really liking it. First impression, I really like it. I already have a review about the K-Beauty's Kajal up on my Instagram. I will leave a link of it in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. I'll see you all in my next video very soon. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.